In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook if it's stuck in working offline. It's a common issue that many of us face, and while it might seem perplexing at first, there's usually a simple way to resolve it by reconnecting Outlook to the mail server. Let's walk through the steps to get your Outlook back online swiftly. To begin, the most straightforward solution is to turn off the work offline mode. You'll want to start by opening Outlook on your computer. Once you have Outlook open, navigate to the top of the window where you'll see various tabs that offer different functionalities. You'll want to specifically look for the Send/Receive tab. It's usually located towards the right side and might be surrounded by other familiar tabs like File or Home, depending on what version of Outlook you're using. Go ahead and click on the Send/Receive tab to open it. Once you're in the Send/Receive tab, you'll notice several icons and options available to you. Among these, there is a button labeled Work Offline. Now this is the important part. If this option is highlighted, it means that Outlook is currently set to work offline, which explains why you're experiencing issues with connectivity. You'll want to click on the Work Offline button to turn it off and ensure that it's no longer highlighted. This simple action usually resolves the problem, as it allows Outlook to attempt reconnection to the mail server. It will often take just a few moments, and you might see a brief alert or check mark as Outlook reestablishes the connection. From here, you should notice your emails syncing appropriately, and any attempts to send or receive new messages should progress without a hitch. This fix, turning off the Work Offline option, is the most common and direct remedy for this issue. It's straightforward, quick, and normally highly effective. However, if you find that this step doesn't resolve the issue, there might be something else at play, such as network connectivity problems or issues with the mail server itself, which may require further investigation or professional assistance. Nonetheless, in most cases, simply toggling the Work Offline mode will get you back on track. If you've followed along and your Outlook is now operational, congratulations! You've successfully fixed the issue. Remember, computer glitches can happen, and knowing these simple troubleshooting steps can be incredibly empowering. Thank you for joining me today to resolve this common Outlook issue. If this video helped you, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from this tip. Stay connected and enjoy your seamless Outlook experience.